Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I have a few more things to share with you guys in regard to fabric and another little something special that I'm going to put in the shop. So I'm going to show you this first because I had in the shop like a long time ago the patterns for the Mondo bags, and if you don't know what those are, just pop that into your Google and it'll come up. So basically, the way that a Mondo bag is made is they sell this interfacing, and you're supposed to put your fabric on the interfacing, and it's got it's fusible interfacing, right? So you iron it on basically, and then you flip, you do some stitches. All the instructions are in here. It's so super simple. And then once you get done, you basically have this gorgeous thing and you've hardly done any work. So anyway, I just thought that I would get a couple of them and see if anybody wanted to give it a go. So actually I have 3 of them. So I'm gonna put those in the shop and you can take a look and get some more ideas. The finished quilt top, or whatever you want this to be, it says 58 inches. So I don't know if that's 58 inches square or... I'm not exactly sure. They give you a certain amount of panels, right? They give you 8 panels, which will give you a 58-inch Lone Star. And then you can add like borders around to make it bigger if you want. So if you want to use it as like a quilt for a bed or something like that. Anyway, there'll be all kinds of info so you can see what that's about. And so now I've got these couple of boxes of fabric that I got from FreeSpirit. As you can see, I'm just taking off the carton ties, so I have not gone in here yet. I'm pretty sure I know what this is, but you know, I don't have the best memory, as y'all know. So let's get the first one open. Oh yeah, I know what it is. I'm really excited to share this with you guys. This is another designer of fabric who I think up until now probably didn't get a huge amount of exposure. And so now that she has also moved over to FreeSpirit from Blend, I'm hoping that everybody will get to hear more about her. So this fabric designer is named Maude Asbury, and this is her Christmas line, and it's called Fa La La. And again, like Corey Dantini, she has a very small collection, so I was able to buy the whole thing. It's 9 SKUs, and I'm sort of thinking that with the Halloween line from Corey Dantini and also this line, but this line will probably be easier because Corey Dantini's has 2 panels, so it makes it a little more difficult. But I'm thinking definitely with this one, I'm going to try to put together like some fat quarter bundles so that if you want just a fat quarter, you can get that. I don't tend to sell by the quarter because it's just not feasible for me as an Etsy shop owner. So I'm thinking I might put together just a few and see how it goes. I'm not going to just start cutting it willy-nilly, but I will maybe put together a few and see how that goes. So the first one, I'm so excited about this because I love Maude Asbury as well. She doesn't have the exact same aesthetic as Corey Dantini, but I love how, I don't know, their collection just seems so different to me, and I love them. So this particular fabric, they're calling it gray, and I don't see, like, you know how sometimes there'll be like the collection will have one whole name and then each individual SKU will have like a name. I'm not seeing that on this one, but this is a gray colorway with some Christmas trees. Is that upside down? That's upside down. Let me flip that over for you. I'm trying to not move it so much. I think I did that a little bit too much. Or I'm just going to move it and then stop. I think I might have gone a little too far with Corey Dantini's. Like it might have made people dizzy. Maybe not. Okay. That's the first one. And now this one has like Christmas ornaments on it. And it's also called a gray, but this is more like a light gray. So let's see if I can show this to you. I love the Christmas ornaments. It's very pretty. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is a blender, and they are saying they're calling this color aqua. So if you're trying to blend things together, you'll look for stuff that says aqua. And it's just an aqua color. I call it sort of like a light green. I don't know that I'd call this aqua. But it's just got some lovely white snowflakes on it. Alrighty. They're calling this color gold. Okay, I would agree that this looks pretty gold. And this is another blender with like, it looks to me like it's sort of a string of lights, but not really lights. It's like a string of dots and stars. All right. And last one in this box. This is the ornaments again, and the background is aqua. Okie dokie. And now I'm going to open the second box. These were the first 5, so we have 4 more. Ooh, I'm liking the one on top. Okay, so this one is the Christmas tree print, and it is on a white background. Okie dokie. And now we've got, I'm just going to call it a string of lights because it's just easier to have that, just to say it like that. And this is on a red background. And this is, it's not like a bright red. This is like sort of a muted red, almost leaning toward orangish. So I would say, what's the word I'm hunting for? Like rusty red, sort of. Okay. Ooh, I'm liking the next one. Okay, this one is a print with gifts on it, and it just says that it is multi yeah, multi, because it's not really, it doesn't really have a background because everything runs together. You'll see what I mean. Alrighty, and we have one more. And let's see. Okay, so these are the snowflakes again, but it's got a gray background. And there it is. Okay, so that's the whole line. It's very small, and it was great because I could get the whole thing, so that no matter which one you like, you know, you could find something you like anyway. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to cut like just maybe 4 fat quarters and put it together. I'll take some photos and post that at the end of this video so that you can see what they look like together as a collection. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And until the next video, thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys so much for supporting me. I really appreciate you. Thanks so much. Mwah.